that fire-spreading behavior of some birds of prey, particularly in Australia, is a fascinating example of animal intelligence. These birds are sometimes referred to as firehawks and include species such as 1. Black kite, Milvus migrans. 2. Whistling kite, Haliaster sphenurus. 3. Brown falcon, Falco birigera. Behavior. These birds have been observed picking up burning sticks or embers from wildfires or human-made fires and dropping them in unburned areas of dry grass. This action causes new fires to ignite, flushing out small animals like insects, lizards, and rodents, which the birds then prey upon. Cultural and scientific recognition. 1. Aboriginal knowledge. Indigenous Australians have long known about this behavior. Stories of firehawks are deeply rooted in their oral traditions. 2. Scientific evidence. While the behavior has been documented anecdotally for decades, recent studies and observations have begun to confirm it more rigorously. Purpose. The birds aren't malicious. Their behavior is a survival strategy. By spreading fire, they create opportunities for easy hunting. 1. Detailed behavior. These firehawks actively engage with wildfires or human-made fires in a calculated way. Picking up burning materials. The birds have been seen grabbing smoldering sticks or burning embers in their talons or beaks. Transporting fire. They carry these burning materials over distances and drop them into unburned areas of vegetation. Exploiting chaos. The resulting fires flush out prey hiding in grass, underbrush, or burrows, exposing them for easy capture. 2. Scientific documentation. While this behavior was part of Aboriginal oral traditions for centuries, modern science began studying it seriously in the past few decades. In a 2017 study published in Journal of Ethnobiology, researchers collected accounts from Aboriginal people and firefighters, providing strong evidence of intentional fire spreading by birds. Observations during controlled burns and natural wildfires corroborated these behaviors, suggesting the birds understand fire as a tool for hunting. 3. Cultural significance. The behavior of firehawks has long been acknowledged in the cultural stories and traditions of Indigenous Australians. Dreamtime stories. Some Aboriginal myths describe birds carrying fire to spread it intentionally, which is consistent with observed behaviors. Fire knowledge. Indigenous communities have used these observations in their own fire management practices, such as controlled burning, to minimize wildfire risks and encourage ecosystem regeneration. 4. Ecological and evolutionary significance. The fire-spreading behavior of these birds raises intriguing questions about their intelligence and adaptation. Cognitive ability. This is an example of tool use, which demonstrates advanced problem-solving skills. Firehawks recognize fire as a means to an end, flushing prey. Ecosystem impact. While it may seem destructive, this behavior plays a role in maintaining balance in fire-prone ecosystems by aiding seed germination and habitat renewal through controlled burns. 5. Global comparisons. Although this behavior is most prominently documented in Australia, similar anecdotes exist elsewhere. Reports from Africa and Southeast Asia suggest that certain raptors may exhibit comparable fire-spreading tendencies. However, the evidence is less comprehensive. 6. Controversy and debate. The idea of firehawks challenges traditional views of animal behavior. Some researchers remain skeptical, arguing that the behavior might be coincidental rather than intentional. Others point to the consistency of observations and indigenous knowledge as proof of intentionality. 7. Practical implications. Understanding fire-spreading birds is important for fire management. Wildfire mitigation. Recognizing that birds can spread fires highlights the need for advanced strategies to prevent wildfires. Conservation. This behavior emphasizes the complex roles predators play in ecosystems and the importance of preserving such species.